This 2024 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 22M is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Winnebago is 24 feet 5 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleep 6, awning, LP detector, smoke detector, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, Colorado detector, skylight, oven, TV, refrigerator, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. This 2024 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 22M is built on a Ford chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.